Hi, welcome to Mzansi 2.0, where we serve the hottest, juiciest celeb tea with zero filter. Today we're spilling all the beans on Shebeshkt, the Lekompo legend, who went from eating prison puff to selling out arenas like tickets were 20 rand specials, only to land right back in the Kasi hotel with no checkout dates. Lehlogonolo Chauke, aka Shebe Monateng, the Township tornado who turned pain into platinum hits. But right now, January 2026, my guy is chilling behind bars after his bail appeal got smoked in court faster than a bright fire. How did the king of twerker end up here again? Buckle up, this story is wilder than Shebe on stage, diving into the crowd. If you're riding for Shebe, smash that like button. New here, subscribe and turn on notification. We overload facts only. Let's go.
Yay!
Born March 28, 1995 in Lebowakgomo, Limpopo, Shebe grew up where the streets don't play nice. Poverty, check. Hustle, double check. Young Shebe got mixed up in the wrong crowd and boom, convicted for attempted murder. Years in the big house, but here's the plot twist. Prison didn't finish him, it upgraded him. He came out spitting bars hotter than Nando's extra hot. Imagine from orange jumpsuit to dropping bangers. Shebe said, nah, I'm turning this L into a W. Mzansi loves a redemption story until it looks back, hey? Out of prison, Shebe attacked the mic like it owed him money. No fake accent, pure Sepedi fire, raw township stories over banging Lekompo beats, TikTok ate it up, ambulance, twerker with Nakwa, the whole country was twerking in traffic. Signed with Virgin Music, days rolling in, then the arena started selling out faster than Black Friday special. Polokwane gone in minutes, Joburg chaos, holiday shows, people fighting for tickets like it's free KFC. Shebe on stage, pure madness, jumping into fans, zero chill. Bro was living his best life, flexing over 1 million bank balance. He showed us the slips, no lies. Podcast and chill episode that broke the internet. Over 1 million views. Shebe became the undisputed king of Lekompo, from Escon to everyone's ringtone, glow up of the country. At the top, Shebe was untouchable. Winning Song of the Year 2025 while locked up. First artist in Mzansi history to pull that off. Tobela FM crowned Ratolaka the anthem. Even in cuffs, bro was winning. Legendary. But fame comes with drama text. Stage fights, check. Beef with half the industry, double check. Gun rumors, assault allegation. Shebe never hid his rough edges. He wore that bad boy vibe like a crown. Then tragedy hit hard, that 2024 car accident, taking his beautiful daughter's life. Mzansi cried with him. Shebe was broken, hospitalized, but somehow kept pushing music. Real pain, real healing through bars. Respect that. Funny side though, Shebe is the only celeb who can cause chaos, go viral for the wrong reason, and still have fans screaming free Shebe every time. Man's got 9 lives like a township cat. 2025 was supposed to be his year until October. Road rage in Ladana, Polokwane, shots fired, 2 guys injured, charges, attempted murder, ×3, illegal firearm, the works, heavy stuff. Arrested November 2025, bail denied December. Then the agent appealed January 9th, 2026. Polokwane High Court said, nah, stay inside under 5 minutes. Judge was not playing. Next court dates coming soon, but right now she was spending 2026 planning his comeback from a cell. From Arena King selling out shows to government-sponsored accommodation, life flips quicker than a TikTok trend. 1 minute you're flexing Lambo dreams, next you're sharing pub with the madman inside. Ish, Shebe will love the drama, but slow down may brew. Plus the full chaotic saga of Shebeshkt, prison, superstar, heartbreak, history maker, and back to prison. Wildest roller coaster in SA music, hands down. Mzansi's